What if I tell you you do not need to pay $25 a month for Lovable, Replit, Bolt, etc.? Instead, I found a free alternative. It's called Google AI Studio, open source tool by Google which you can use to build any app for completely free without writing a single line of code. Yes, you heard that right. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a fully functional business strategy app in less than 20 minutes. But before we start building it, let me tell you something which most people will never say. The difference between an AI that gives you garbage versus the one that gives you a $2,000 strategy session is entirely how you set it up. You are just one good prompt away from building your fully functioning app. And if you're wise enough, you will grab your laptops and try it out with me. Let's get into it. We need to go to Google AI Studio and simply sign in with our account. So we are going to do exactly that here. We are going to write Google. Now once you do that, you are going to see an interface like this. After that, you need to click on Playground, and here you need to put in the system instructions. Now what is system instruction? This is the tone or specific things that you are describing or you want Gemini to keep in mind while building your apps. So we are going to click on system and here you're going to give it a title and write your instructions. I basically used Claude to write this and even used GPT, but I personally prefer Claude. So yes, I'm going to just copy this system prompt here and I am going to paste it back. So that's it. You are a world-class no-code app architect and AI product designer. Your job is to help me build structured, intelligent, and fully functional AI-powered apps inside Google AI Studio. Your behavior, you have to think like a product designer, not a chatbot. Always suggest the cleanest, most minimal system prompt architecture that achieves the goal. You can read rest of the part, but it is saved now. So we're going to just cancel this out and now our system instructions are set. Next, we need to create the app. So before I start building the app, I need to tell you what this app is all about. Whether you are a real estate agent or a clinic owner or you have an e-commerce brand, etc., you have same core problem. You're paying thousands of dollars for strategy which you're not understanding, or maybe you're not using strategy at all. What I built is a 7-module business intelligence app that anyone can use, and you just describe the type of business and it does the rest. So first, it generates your ideal customer profile, not demographics, but real profile, who is the kind of person that you're targeting. Second, it creates ad copies for you. And third, it also suggests you the kind of creatives you should make which is tailored to your audience. Fourth, it writes full sales script for you. Opening line, clarifying questions, follow-up messages, every single thing done for you. Fifth, it identifies highest leverage automations that you can use in your business and suggests you some tools which you can use. Module 6, it suggests you the type of content you should create. Obviously, it's not a content expert, so it is not going to give you a very specific advice, but yes, since content is how you reach the right audience, this is going to help you plan a complete strategy around it. And next, 7, and fixes for something which is not working in your favor. So this is a complete app for someone who's a real estate agent. This means knowing exactly which customers to target, what kind of automations and tools to use, what should be the sales script, and what to post more to attract the buyers. And this is the app. Now let's start building it. So again, I have used Claude for generating this full app prompt. And let me tell you, here's the trick. You just need to go to Claude and you need to send a voice message. Yes, a voice message on the kind of app you want to build. You need to describe it in detail, like be specific, be as specific as you can. You do not need to give vague inputs. You describe everything about that app and then it creates a structural prompt that you can just simply copy and use. Now I'm going to just copy that prompt and paste to Google AI Studio to build this app. So let's go to Claude. We are here and this is our complete app prompt. I have copied this. Now I'm going to click on build. And here you have Gemini's latest model, Gemini 3 Flash in build. which means it's going to help you and build this entire app. Now here are some other options. You can create nano banana powered app, you can create voice apps, which means if you want to generate some sort of images, it may be a thumbnail generator. And if you want to animate using VO, you can also use Google Maps for bringing in leads, and you can even create AI powered chatbots. So it is really helpful. But now let's just paste the prompt that we have, and we are going to select Gemini intelligence in your app. So yes, that's it, because we do not need image and we do not need videos. And I'm going to click on build here. It's going to take 5 to 10 minutes, but you should be as specific as you can, because this is exactly how you will build the kind of app which gives result. So here, as you can see, the prompt is really detailed. Like, I have given it all sorts of rules. Never be generic. The output must feel written for this specific business. So to make it easy for you, I'm going to put both prompts. First is the system prompt and second the app prompt in the description, so you can just simply download it from there and tweak it according to your niche and specific requirements. So here we got a preview. The $2,000 consultant. Describe your business in as much detail as possible. Include. Okay, that's not bad. I don't want this to be my homepage. This app should ask questions, and rather than, just me typing it all out. So I'm going to write this prompt over here. Make changes, add new features. You can ask for anything. Make the changes in homepage. It should ask user questions one by one and take every single detail instead of them typing it all out. Also make it more attractive. First banner, then features section, next up use cases, third testimonials, and last socials and pricing. Make sure that it has all necessary features for a fully functioning app. Now I have just entered this prompt over here, and let's wait while it is making those changes. So as you can see, the changes are made, and I'm going to click on start strategy and let's try it out. So what do you sell? I'll say a skincare brand. Okay, next. Who do you sell to? What's your biggest current problem? I'm gonna write less number of sales. Next, where are you right now? Next step could be any other specific detail. We are a premium skincare brand using natural products, and then I'm going to click on generate strategy. Now it's analyzing our business and then building a hyper specific strategy. Let's see what it. See, I'm going to run it once again with another niche, and we're going to see, and this time I'm going to be more specific, and we are going to see the difference between the two outputs. So as you can see here, we have the ideal customer profile, we have ad copy with variations, creative direction, sales script, everything, but I'm going to read out for you. So first is the ideal customer profile. Name clean girl Chloe, age 18 to 24, background college student or early career professional who watches TikTok skincare routines daily. Her main problem, her skin barrier is damaged from trendy, harsh chemical products. She has sensitive skin and get random breakouts. Buying trigger, she is terrified of putting toxic junk on her face, and she wants a premium aesthetic product that uses raw and natural ingredients to heal her skin. And she's willing to pay extra for it if she trusts the brand. And this is literally the perfect ideal customer profile for someone for this type of business. Next, we have the ad copy variations, creative direction, sales script and all. But here's the thing, I'm not liking the kind of output that it has generated. It's not structured, it is very messy, and it looks unclear. Make the output look more organized, structured, and full of visuals. You can use tables if required. It should be user friendly, and then see the difference. The viability scorecard, we have this 4-week content plan, scripts, everything you need basically. And now you do not need to worry about what content to post. You do not need to worry about your ideal customer profile. You have this all sorted. Okay, so I made 2 changes. First, I removed all the images from the home page, and then I also added the before versus after of using this tool. So the guesswork phase versus the precision phase. But now we are going to test it with some different niche. So I'll click on build our strategy, and here I'm going to write a real estate agent. Yes, and then I'm going to click on next step. Next, who do you sell to? And then we're going to click on next step, which is the biggest current problem. Close 10 to 12 clients a month, and I am trying to scale. Any other specific detail, you can add your pricing, you can also mention the type of people you serve, anything you want. So yes, now we're going to click on generate strategy and let's see what it gives us. And this time we also told Google AI Studio to make it more organized and structured. So let's see how the output really looks like. The result is quite interesting. So we have the ideal customer profile, and I'll name the space, start, city, family, demographics 30 to 45, household income $200,000 plus, Stacy, predictable train commute to the city. Now add copy variations. Here we have the pain point, outgrown your New York apartment. Then we have the dream catcher headline. Then we have the direct office headline. Then we also have the creative direction. So add creative one is the kind of before versus after. Left side, a chaotic messy apartment living room. Right side, a calm sunlit family room with kids playing peacefully. So this is going to appeal to those people who are trying to then settle in an apartment which is sufficient and very spacious. Next creative is the video hook. Then we have the sales script. So the goal is to fix low conversion rate by weeding out window shoppers immediately. Since you close 10 to 12 a month, your time is your biggest bottleneck. And then we have the intro, the pain discovery, qualification. This is literally goldmine for people who were looking for the right strategy but didn't know how to start and where to start. And then we have different workflows that are going to be helpful for them. Then we have the 4-week content plan. So since this person is a real estate agent and they want to sell it to people who want to buy apartments in New York, so the 4-week content plan is here. First would be a school focus, second the commuter test, third cost comparison, and fourth client story. And then we have the viability scorecard, lead filtration, speed to lead, niche dominance, sales friction, scale, headlines. You built this app yourself. Like, we built it in less than 20 minutes, less than maybe 30 minutes, and also you have everything you need to start. Let me break down what just happened from two angles. So if you're someone who's learning no code and AI, you saw someone build a business intelligence app in less than 30 minutes, and for absolutely free without writing a single line of code. But this becomes really helpful when you go niche specific. You can choose real estate, marketing agency, clinics, e-commerce brand, and that niche specific product is something that you can offer as a productized service. And if you are a business owner watching this video right now, you just saw someone build the entire strategy in less than 5 minutes, which is not even generalized. It is specific and tailored to your business needs. Also got specific automation workflows that you can use in your business. But if you need help, the link is in the description. And I feel that the app that we just built is really helpful for someone starting out and for those who want a direction before they execute anything. But I really want to hear what you think about it. So let me know your thoughts and comments. And if you want to learn how to build these systems from scratch and for absolutely free, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.